What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm so extremely excited about because if you know me personally, I am obsessed with fall. Can you tell? I've already decorated for fall and I'm going to share this with you all. So I wanted to just take you guys along with me and show you guys how I incorporate my fall decor into the decor that I already have. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel already, please be sure to go ahead and do so. Towards the end, if you genuinely love this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, be sure to turn on your notification bell, that way you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I do have some pretty interesting videos coming up this month and the month of October that I'm pretty excited about, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm just sitting here enjoying my lovely leaves candle from Bath & Body Works, which is my current fave. If you guys want to see a current faves video, comment down below letting me know. I need some video inspiration, so go ahead and throw those my way. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started.
There was a time when I was lonely. I was trying hard to get by, taking day by day. But baby, then you came along. I know I never felt that strong. Nothing's gonna hold us down. Yeah, we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. My soul wanted healing, consolation. You and me were in the moment we've been waiting for. Come summer, winter, fall or spring, no matter what the future brings, nothing's gonna hold us down, 'cause we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. Since I was a little child, every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. I wonder where they're going, the flight of swallows sailing through the sky. There's no way of knowing, but maybe someplace far from you and I. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile